Hello, I'm Aiden. Welcome back to my channel. I am playing Observation Duty 6 today. I did not finish Observation Duty 5 because I moved that over to AK209 because it's very difficult. So it's much easier when it's me and my boy Kevin. Check out that channel if you wish to. But we're playing 6 today. Let's hope I succeed maybe. Let's go, gamers. I've got my observing glasses on to help me see. We've got train, hotel, hospital, university, summer cottage, and pool. Boy, those sound nice and pleasant. This background music is fantastic. Spooky. I'll start with train on normal. I'm not a new player, but I'm not necessarily a good one. So let's start with normal. And then if it's like massive success, we'll jump to hard mode for sure. Ooh. Locals have reported large quantities of anomalous events happening at the location. The epicenter seems to be at a parked locomotive at the center of the railway station. A body was found inside the train. We've not yet been able to identify the body due to extreme damage caused by what appears to have been a gigantic blunt instrument wielded with immense strength. That's scary. Strange mumbling resembling no known language has been heard from the train. Numerous passengers have reported luggage, disappearances, and leaving the train with items they did not enter the train with. That's pretty cool. Seems we've got new controls. Hold down to report anomaly and report window. Okay. So hold down. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Anomalies have been previously cited. Okay, I'm going to imagine that's probably the same message. Report window. Abyss, malfunction, distortion, ghost, steam smoke, light. Okay. Passenger's car. Someone left a whole sandwich. We've got a whole sandwich in the passenger's car. Oh, uh-oh. There's so much stuff here. No, this will be fine. We're going to ace this first try. All confidence. All confidence. Oh, there's a coffee bar. There's a dining car? What type of fucking fancy ass train is this? This must be some like European train because we don't have trains remotely this fancy in the US. Oh, what you reading there, brother? Bun bun. Summer strawberries. Sounds fantastic. Okay, that's the train. Fantastic. I imagine it's probably still the rule, the minute 15 rule. And we have hit minute 15. So, something may be sus. This looks fine. Were there hangars in here? There were hangars somewhere, I thought. Oh, there they are. Oh, am I missing something there? Maybe, maybe not. Oh, no. Damn it. That's fine. This is fine. Well, shucks. Okay, so first anomaly had to have spawned in by now, and I have not found it, which is a really bad sign considering all that confidence I was just talking about. Ooh, golly jeepers. Am I missing something from the table? Unlikely. Is that extra? Oh, there's a fucking duh. Jesus Christ. There's like a body under there. There's a whole body on that on that table. Bed, not a table. Well, it's a table for the dead body, clearly. Gotti. Gotti, finally, really. How many times did I look over that dead body? Realistically. Had to have been a lot. Were there extra coffee cups there? Also unlikely. Okay. This looks fine. Crazy enough, this train bathroom is like 3 times larger than any airplane bathroom. I fucking hate airplanes. Fuck you, Delta Airlines. Oh. Thought you could sneak that one past me. Move my soda bottle around. I think not, brother. Not at all. Yeah, last time I flew on Delta Airlines. And I had to do like a connecting flight, right? And both flights were delayed. How do you delay both? Like the first one was delayed like 4 hours. And then people were pissed and they were like, "Oh, we'll just put you on a different flight," which left an hour earlier. So I was going to be on time, right? I was going to be on time to make the flight, and then all of a sudden, I have to leave an hour earlier. And now I'm late for my flight, which is a bad feeling. Especially if you know or have ever had to experience the TSA at O'Hare in Chicago. It's bad. It's super bad. So that was stressful. Oh, hello. And then the second flight was delayed like 50 minutes. So it's just my opinion, but all I'm going to say is fuck Delta Airlines. Made it to 1 a.m., baby. Have not gotten the alert that we've missed too many anomalies. Or like the warning, rather. Which is bueno. Hopefully nobody clowns. Oh! Alarmingly close. Gonna need you to back that up there. Thank you. Yeah, hopefully no one clowns on me for playing on normal mode. But after my repeated failures on Observation Duty 5, I figured it was a healthier place to start for me. Also, let me know in the comments if I miss anything obvious. Besides the dead body from earlier in this run. That one I just saw super late. This train is quiet. Which makes sense. It's not moving and it's seemingly abandoned. Seemingly. I say seemingly because I know at some point I'm going to be jump scared by some type of goofy goober running around. Can't believe I missed a dead body in there. That's crazy. That's craziness. Did these signs change? I'm not sure, but I haven't caught anything, I think, since it turned 1 a.m. I can't remember. My brain bad. Bun. I want cool magazines called Bun. Talking about summer strawberries. Not because I need it. And also, I haven't read a magazine probably since I was like 14 or 15 reading Mad Magazine, which by the way is funny. But maybe that's why printed media is dying. Because you're not fucking cool anymore, newspapers, magazines. Calling you out, clowns. Why do they have a toaster oven? What are you toasting up? There's no food to be seen anywhere. I mean, I guess the donuts, but you don't toast donuts. Well, I guess it's meant to be there. That's fine. Was that toilet seat always up? I think it was. I sure think it was. Nothing ever changes in the driver's compartment. Driver's compartment? I thought it was the conductor. Conductor's compartment. What What happened there? That looks a little strange. Is that just distorting? I think it was just distorting. How unique. There's a light in the private car. I feel like I would have remembered seeing that. Gotti. Gotti team. Let's go. This must be a long day. Oh. Who knocked over my fucking cups? You know how long that's going to take to clean up? Luckily for me, it's just a click of a button. But like I was saying, like, this has got to be one of those like long distance trains. Which, I mean, I get it that they exist kind of everywhere, except the ones in the US are just dog shit. But was that always there? I don't remember. But like a sleeping car? A fancy looking sleeping car? In a train? I don't know. I don't know about that. Like, that's too fancy. Is the creator of this game European? Notovia? Natovia? However you pronounce it? Must be European. That door... Wait, so the door's open there, but then in the mirror it's closed. It's quite the anomaly. It's like a double anomaly. It's a 2-for-1 special. Has this chair changed? Probably not. I'm just trying it because why not, you know? Should I have started with hard mode? Or is this simply my speed? Am I calling myself out? Distortion? Dining car. What a unique view. Wow. I wonder if that's what it's like to be on shrooms. How cool. Do I have all the cameras? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cameras? Bueno. Okay, we're good. We're golden. We are Golden Freddy, baby. Was that emergency exit light always on? Ooh, there's something going on here. Something's flickering. Something is amiss in the private car. Oh, so the emergency exit sign was always on. I think it must have just been the flickering. Who moved my shoes? Someone moved my shoes. Yes, I'm absolutely claiming everything in this train as my own. If I'm the security watchman, the anomaly boy, I'm the anomaly boy. I'm the one who finds. But yeah, if I'm the guy, then yeah, everything in the train is mine. That was kind of the end point of that. Gotti. Is this mug extra? I don't remember anything that close to my Bun Bun magazine. Nope, it was always there. Okay. It's kind of humbling. Extra? In the background? Probably not. Which is fine. Worth a shot. My shoes are back in order. That's fantastic. Was this guy always sad? His mouth is sad. Who's got a sad teddy bear? Oh, apparently that person. Huh. I did not notice that before. World Smile Day. Smile Day, rather. Saturday, October 2nd. Dang. I missed it by almost half a year. Ish. Give or take. Unfortunate. Beverage service. Can hardly get damn beverage service on an airplane. They got full bottles of soda. Full bottles. I mean, the once the once every 7 hours on an airplane you get beverage service. Like, oh yeah, can I get a diet soda? And they pour out like 3 ounces for you. It's like, oh, thanks, buddy. Granted, I fly economy with the rest of my poor people. Hey, yo, shout out poor people. But, like, you could at least give half a can, right? It's like 12 ounces of ice and then 3 ounces of cola. It's like, dude. You know how much I sacrificed? How much I had to fucking pay for a dog shit ticket? On a stupid fucking Delta flight? I hate Delta. Alaskan Airlines, you're cool. Sponsor me. That'd be cool. But yeah, no. Don't ever fly Delta. In my opinion. Not that I intended this lovely anomaly day to simply be about shitting on Delta Airlines. But someone's got to do it, you know? It's only fair. Were those always glasses or were those mugs? Now I'm grasping for straws. I think those were just glasses. Yeah. What? What am I missing? What the hell shit could I be ghost? Ghost in the passenger car. Okay, so that was one of 3 anomalies. I did not think I would get the warning so dang early. Did I already try if those changed? I don't remember. What else could I be missing? What the heck? Aw, jeez, man. What? I don't see anything that I could be missing. Oh no. Oh no. I think that's extra. I believe. Cool. So that's 2 of the 3 that were active. Extra mug? Probably not. Shucks. Am I missing a camera? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am. What am I missing? Passenger private sleeping car. I'm missing the whole sleeping car camera. So that's 3 of 3? Unless something new spawned. How long was I missing that camera for? Probably too long. Likely embarrassingly long. Did that go up? Oh my fuck! What are you? Holy shit. Oh my god. That scared the shit out of me. Whew. Wow, that timing was crazy, dude. Yikers. Was that a little alien man? I hardly got a good look at... Oh. Are you alive? Yo. Hey, yo. What the fuck? This very chill normal mode night just became crazy haunted. Oh, I wonder if, like, the whole witching hour, like, does things get crazier during the witching hour? That could be a thing. That was nuts. Yeah, I hardly got a good look at the little alien guy, because I was too busy flying backwards in my seat. Is that the dead body they were talking about? Because that's really, really decomposed. That's like... That's just pure bones. Could also, alternatively, simply be a Halloween skeleton. Was there always plugs over there? There's probably plugs over there. Huh. All things considered, the bathroom has probably been the calmest of all of these cameras, which I'm sure not complaining about. Am I missing luggage somewhere? Probably not. Did that grow? Also probably not. That is just precariously placed luggage over the edge there. Unfortunate. At least there's no penalty for getting them wrong. At least not that I can suss out. Was this trash bin different? Oh, hi. I really wish I didn't try that trash bin a second ago. So that's the alien guy. That's the alien guy. Interesting. He really wants in the train, and I'm really glad he hasn't found a way yet. There wasn't anything on the shelf, I think. Or was there? No, I don't think so. Made it to 4 a.m. though. That's a good feeling. Question is, what could I be missing? Because I feel like the anomalies always start to pick up more in like the last hour or two of the night. I'm going to just start trying random stuff if I can't suss things out. That's not a very smart way to play the game, though. Perhaps I won't do that on second thought. Nothing much has happened in the dining car, has it? At least not that I've seen. Is that glass always there? Probably. Shucks, dude. Was there always a plunger? After getting the shit scared out of me, I have lost my confidence in... Oh, hi. That spooked me a little bit. Cool. Very neat. No one's touching my shoes anymore. That's good. Sandwich. That sandwich has got to be stale. It's been sitting out for at least 4 hours. Did that change? Probably not. Also, probably not. Dang. I wonder if I've missed anything super obvious that I've been overlooking. Did the bag change? Unlikely, but worth a try. I'm so on edge right now. I don't want to see the alien guy again. Unless he's doing a little dance. Oh, what the fuck are you? What is that? Who's to say? But if the alien guy breaks out into a little dance, I'm not going to be so mad. Is all I'm trying to say. But banging your head against the wall, jump scaring me, that is bad alien behavior. If it is an alien, I'm just assuming. It could be just a gray a grayscale human being with a very large head. Shouldn't presume such things, I suppose. Did that kettle change? Probably not also. This normal mode seems very forgiving. The fact that I can just click on everything and anything and kind of have no consequences. Seemingly. Did that move? Probably not. Damn. Do I have all my cameras? Passenger, private, sleeping, dining, washroom. Yeah, I think I've got them all. Extra stuff on the table in the background? Could be. Unlikely to be. No. Shucks. And gosh damn it. Nothing ever happens up here, except for those 2 times or 3 times it did. I don't think there's anything going on in there. I'm so nervous too. Since I already got the warning, it's not gonna warn me again. It's just going to kill me. Did those glasses change? Probably not. No. Damn. $5 a.m. Okay, grand. That's great. Fuck me. What was I missing? Anomaly report. Finally. Object movement in the dining car. Missing object in the driver's car. Oh, extra object in the passengers. Okay. Interesting. Alright, I'm gonna run it again. And I'm gonna see if I can spot those. Dining, drivers, and passengers. Huh. Okay. So something was amiss in here. What was it? I don't know. Well, that's unfortunate. This looks fine. I don't think anything was wrong in here. Something was wrong in here? Oh, maybe the luggage moved? Oh, I don't know. This was fine. And then there's something in here. Quite. That's troubling. Man, to make it all the way to 5 a.m. and then die, that is a heartbreaker right there. Highly unfortunate. But 5 a.m. first try, putting that in perspective, that's not so bad. So, not to be overconfident again, but I think it's likely to go gamer mode and get a massive dub. Hopefully. Really, really hopefully. And hopefully I catch this first anomaly, because that would be, once again, embarrassing. Ah, door open. That's fantastic news. I wonder how many anomalies they program per level, like per camera per level. It's got to be a fair amount, right? Because at least whenever I've played any of the games, really, 1, 2, 4, 5, any of them, it always seems like every playthrough is fresh. So I'm kind of curious, like, how many anomalies per camera per level they put in. Someone has to have made a list somewhere. Be kind of curious to look that up. Probably not for this game, because that'd be cheating. That'd be too much hints. But it would be fun to know. I like knowing things. It's very neat. It's very neat to do. I get nervous when time passes and I don't see anything, because that first anomaly happens at 15 minutes, and then the second anomaly happens at some point after that. If we hit 1 a.m. and I don't find another anomaly, I am going to feel really silly. Very silly. Oh, hi. Abyss? There's a abyss in the washroom. You simply hate to see it. I mean, I love to see it. That's an easy one to find. But I'd hate to be the person that has to go pee and there's just an abyss in the washroom. What happens if you piss into the void? Does the void piss back? That's my philosophical question for the day. I don't have an answer. Someone out there must. They have to. Because the world deserves to know. Just like I deserve to know where the next anomaly is. I feel like I am observing the duty well today. But I don't know, it's a very dejecting feeling. Dying at 5 a.m. Still not over that. Which I should be, you know. They always tell you in sports, like, let it go, you gotta play in the moment, you know? Which is very true. Played football in middle school, and baseball in high school. And I was very bad at doing that. Not playing, but like letting things go to focus on the current moment. One of my major downfalls. Oh. Yeah, that's new now. Good to know. Honestly, it looks pretty cool. Should have kept that new design, honestly. Can't believe I didn't figure out what was wrong with the driver's compartment. What was different in here? Hopefully whatever it is, I don't miss it again. Then I would feel ultra silly. Everything in here looks fine. No alien guy yet. It is only 1 a.m. though. What is World Smile Day exactly? Saturday, October 2, food buffet and a band show. Interesting. Imminent collision? Well, that sounds horrible considering we're not moving. How would we collide? With what would we collide? A stupid other train. A secondary, stupider train. Hmm. You know what? Maybe I do like these signs here better. The old ones were neat, but they didn't really scream coffee, you know? Which is probably the goal of having a little coffee shop in a train. Nothing ever happens with the sandwich. Does it? Nothing ever happens with the sandwich. And that's upsetting. Oh, the light's back on. The light's on in the trash can again. Not sure who would put a light in a trash can, but someone was thoughtful enough to do it. And good for them. It's shame on me, really, for taking it away. We still get our little table items. Inconsiderate, by the way. These bathroom users, the trash can is right there. It's right there. You just put them in the bin. You don't have to leave them on the floor. Stupids. I want someone to take a bite out of the sandwich. That's what I want. I want one of the anomalies to be someone taking a bite out of the sandwich. That'd be pretty epic. Okay. Almost 2 a.m. No warning. I think last run, the warning came through at like 3:15 or something like that. It's 2 a.m., no warning. I don't feel like I've missed anything. I think. And if I have, feel free to call me out for it in the comments. Because chances are I'm going to need the assistance. Not that it'll help me in real time, because I don't like stream these or anything. But it's the thought that counts, really. It's really the thought that counts. Nothing's happened here for a while, except for that magazine, I guess. Oh, hello! Dead body! I don't think I missed it that time. This is the redemption tour right here. Full redemption tour mode. This magazine never changes. Unless it does, and I just haven't seen it. I'm really hungry. I'm going to be honest. The reason I keep calling out the sandwich is because I'm really hungry. Maybe, perhaps I will make a sandwich for myself. Not in this moment. But well after this moment has passed, I will. I'm going to just click over there generally, because I don't remember there being... Nope, that's how it's supposed to look. Okay. Good to know. Is the bottle extra? Unlikely. Unlikely. Have I gotten to the point where I just start clicking on things? It sure feels like it. It sure feels like it. It's a stupid thing to do, I know it is. Oh, is there extra plates over here? Also unlikely. Golly jeepers. Almost 3 a.m. I just don't want to get the warning too early, you know? Like it feels nicer knowing Did these turn? Who's to say? It feels nicer knowing you still have the warning in your back pocket when you get to like 4 or 5 a.m. And burning through it before then is not bueno at all. Hello again! Good to see ya. He's back. He really wants in. Maybe that's the conductor. That's my game theory for the day. Maybe that's the conductor and he's pissed because he's locked out of the train. He's supposed to be conducting. I'd love to see some lore hunters out there prove me wrong. Take that challenge. If you dare. Those moved. Someone cleaned up the sink area. Not on my watch. Not on my watch at all. Dirty sinks only. Has this toilet changed? Probably not. It did not. Unfortunate. Oh, a door open. No, thank you. I don't like it. Not one G-dang bit. Has something changed in this dining car? Am I missing something in this dining car? Possibly, but I don't know what it is. Made it to 3 a.m. Can we get to 4 a.m. without using the warning? Has this chair moved? Probably not. Well, fuck. Sir, please don't. Whew. Do not argue with him. Meet the director. Okay. So, lesson for all of you out there. This is why we don't click on things we're not sure about. Because that director was probably milliseconds away from killing me. Whew. That one was too close. Too close for comfort. Lesson learned. I wonder what he was directing. Like a movie director? That's probably the guy that was speaking in no discernible language from the level description. Because I don't know what the fuck homie was yapping about. But it was indeed frightening. Oh, that changed. There used to be a face on that magazine. Easy find. Too easy. Do I have all of my cameras? Did I already check? Doesn't feel like I did recently. That looks fine. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we're good. We're bueno. That moved. Can't move my cola, mister. $3:30. Made it to about 3:30 without burning the warning. Feels like this run is going fantastic. Oh, it's him again. It's the guy. Ah, can't get me that time. Nah, nah. Although that was really scary the first time. Fantastic jump scare. Question is, what else could be awry right now? Gonna try and flip faster just in case there's more of those intruders that clearly have the potential to kill me. Like, I'm pretty sure that director was gonna be one of the ones that kills me. Not sure if Alien Guy is one of the killing types. He just seems to bonk his head and scream into windows. Which, honestly, good for you, you know? If that's your hobbies, that's your hobbies, man. Don't let anyone shit on that. Did that move? Probably not. This is fine. We're in the latter half of the day, and I am worried the anomalies are going to pick up crazy like. Oh, that's too many cups. That's too many cups. Not OSHA approved. Nah, not allowed. You could fall on somebody and bonk them in the noggin. We don't do things like that around here. Not for a goddamn second. Did that move? That one I'm not sure about either. It did not. Palms sweaty, knees spaghetti. I am nervous as it is about to be 4 a.m. again. Haven't used the warning though. Good having that in the back pocket. We've got a reasonable amount of cups once again. Hey, speak of that warning. God fucking damn it. Okay, so blood is one. Blood is one of the three. What else? Is it the levers? Did they move? What else could be no good? Shit. Oh no. Lever is one. Hello, sir. It's the Gungoozler. That is two. What could the third one be? Is the question. Have these cups moved? Probably not. So that's only two of the three from the warning. What else changed? Was it something? Oh yeah, my mug is missing. Duh, the fucking mug, dude. So that's 3 of 3 from the warning, which is good to get. Back to baseline, probably, possibly. But so much for having that warning in the back pocket. Now it's ultra focus mode, which I probably should have been in the whole time. Nothing has changed in here, I think. No more wobbly hangers. Oh, footprints. Now that's just rude. You leave a trail like that, that's just rude. That looks like carpet, dude. Can't leave footprints like that on carpet. Now it's got to be steamed. Or if you're me, you just click one button and it's gone. I hold ridiculous power. I keep thinking that chair moves, but I don't think it does. Nothing ever happens to the sandwich. ever. What a bad feeling it must be to be that sandwich and to not ever change. To be stuck as a sandwich. So edible. Oh, hello. Light anomaly in the restroom. Fantastic. Seems like in this game the anomalies process a lot faster than the previous ones, which is kind of nice. That's extra, I think. Right? I thought there were only... Really? I thought there were only 3 screens in here. Maybe I'm going crazy. I think I'm just going crazy. Oh my fuck. There were 3 screens. I just clicked the wrong one. Let's go team. That's excellent. That's a good feeling right there. Shoes. Still got shoes. Did the plates move? Probably not. That's all fine and dandy. That seems... I feel like I would have seen that before. That seems extra. Gotti. Gotti, teammates. Let's go. Almost 5 a.m. Almost made it to 5 a.m. again. Let's not fuck this one up, is my hope. Gotta stay fully locked. Fully locked in. And hope I don't immediately miss something obvious. Made it to 5 a.m., which is fantastic. The sandwich finally changed! It's moldy now! Thank God! I mean, not that I wish... What the fuck? What is happening? What? What is the noise? Is it distortion? What is happening? What? What camera malfunction? What is happening? What is the noise? Why is there noise? Is something coming to kill me? I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. What is happening? I'm so nervous right now. Don't kill me. What is happening? Do you guys hear that too, or am I going clinically insane? Does it just make spooky noises for 5 a.m.? What is happening? Stop making spooky noises. I don't like it. My cortisol is through the fucking roof. Don't let this be my downfall. Please. What am I missing? What am I missing? What am I missing? I have no more warning. Hello, it's a ghosty goo. In the passenger car. Okay, okay, this is fine. Why is there spooky music? There's never been spooky music. I think. Has there? Holy shit. Went from full lock-in mode to full panic mode in... Oh, hello again. Distortion dining car. And I can't change camera while I'm here. Crazy. from a simple sound of an unexpected soundtrack, I immediately went panic mode. I'm so nervous. Don't die. Goal number 1, don't die. I mean, I guess goal number 1 should ideally be observe, as it is my duty. But that noise is spooky. Real spooky. I don't like it too much. I feel like I'm missing stuff. What am I missing? What could I be missing? What the hell could I be missing? I haven't found anything for a second, and it's making me it's making me uneasy. Oh shit. Come on, I can't fumble the bag now. Oh, jeez. There's one. Whew, thank God I had the patience to stay there for a second. Okay, so that's one. I should probably catch another one before the night's end. Maybe another 2, to be on the safe side. Oh shit. 10 more minutes. Can I be alive for that long? Ooh. Am I missing a camera? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am. Which one? Passenger, private, dining. It is. Sleeping again. Sleeping car. Okay, cool. That's one. Holy shit. Excellent. Glad I checked. Glad I checked. Nothing awry? Nothing at all. Instant suffering! Also known as me clocking in. Here's another one. That's too many cups. That's too many cups. I think we did it, boys. I think we did it. Right? Woo! All aboard, complete the train, fix 29 anomalies. I don't know if I missed any. I don't feel like I missed any. What a massive success. Let's fucking go. Gamers! Feels pretty good to beat the train. Second try. I thought I had it on first try, honestly. That was a devastating death, but a fantastic redemption play. Second try, train done, 5 more levels in Observation Duty 6. Maybe hard mode on AK-219 eventually, since it'll be 2 pairs of eyes instead of just 1, and clearly I struggle sometimes even with my pair. So thank you for watching, hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, smooch that subscribe button. Thank you. Bye!